guys, I'm Jam of JamOnline.ph and today mag-unbox tayo ng pinakabagong flagship smartphone ni Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy S6. So I got it from Smart at data plan 999. So meron pa rin cash out pero it's reasonable naman yung price. It's for 24 months, which is good. And the one that I got from Smart is a 32 gig na Samsung Galaxy S6. So, ano pang meron dito? Well, we got a 5.1-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display. There's a 64-bit octa-core processor. There's LTE, 16-megapixel OIS camera, a 5-megapixel front camera, a wireless charging, and of course, 32 gig yung internal memory. Compared sa previous Samsung Galaxy na S device, wala na siyang waterproof and non-removable battery na si Samsung Galaxy S6. Isa pang problema dito is micro SD card slot niya, tinanggal na din. So, you have to rely dun sa 32 gig internal storage. Sa Pilipinas, ang available lang is a 32 gig or 64 gig. Fortunately, wala tayong 128 gig but I guess medyo malaki na naman masyadong 128 gig. So, palagi ko sapat na sa inyo 32 or 64 gig. Isa pang maganda dito sa Samsung Galaxy S6 ay made of metal and glass na siya, so very premium compared sa other Galaxy devices. Alright, so huwag na tayo magantay and let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy S6. Alright guys, so here's the Samsung Galaxy S6. Again, I got this Samsung Galaxy S6 from Smart, so medyo nadumihan na siya, and it's available at data plan 999. So compared sa other Samsung Galaxy S6, medyo special yung variant sa Pilipinas kasi duos yung Samsung Galaxy S6 na nakuha natin, meaning dual SIM yung Galaxy S6 na makukuha natin from Smart sa Globe and dun sa Samsung. Unfortunately, kahit duos na siya, nakalock pa rin siya if kinuha nyo sa carrier nyo sa Globe or sa Smart. So the variant is 920 SM9 G920FD. So if search nyo sa internet, ito yung makukuha nyo, the Samsung Galaxy S6 Duos. Alright, so let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy S6. So I got the sapphire black na Samsung Galaxy S6. So it's available in different colors, pero yung kinuha ko is yung sapphire black, yung gold, yung green which is for the Galaxy Edge, and yung other colors ay magiging available soon. So for now, you can only get yung sapphire black and yung white na Samsung Galaxy S6. Actually, I've opened this and I've downloaded some apps na well, ginagamit ko sa Samsung device na to, and mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung mga pre-installed apps on my Smart Galaxy S6. Alright, so buksan yung box. Of course, we got here the manual, and so we have here this start quick guide. Although bigyan ko muna kayo little tour about the, which is bibigyan ko kayo mamaya ng tour about the Galaxy S6 mamaya. And then what we have here are the charger. Ayan, so ito yung info ng charger. That's fast charging na 9 volts, 1.57 amps, or 5 volts, 2.0 amps. So medyo mabilis siya mag-charge. Again, itong quick charging na feature na to sa Samsung Galaxy Note 4. And then of course, we got here yung sa pin ng sa SIM card. So para tusukan nyo, pakita nyo mamaya yung SIM card nyo, kung saan nilalagay. And of course, we got here the earphones. Ayan, so it's similar. No, actually, just like the earpods, ganun yung structure ng kanyang ng earphones ganyan, parang si earpods ng Apple. And then of course, hindi naman mawawala to, the cable, which is quite long, just like the Galaxy Note 4. Alright, so balik ko lang to sa box. And then let's check out the Samsung Galaxy S6. So here's the Samsung Galaxy S6 that I got from Smart. Again, duos yung Smart Galaxy S6 ko. So ang magagamit ko lang is of course Smart SIM card. So if you have two Smart SIM cards, syempre gamitin ko dito. And compared sa previous Galaxy smartphones, the Galaxy S6 is using a nano SIM card slot na, wait, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo in a bit. Medyo mahangin lang, nasa labas po tayo, dito mag-unbox. And ito, so nasa side yung kanyang SIM card slot. Yan, so yan, so makikita nyo, dalawang nano SIM card slot yung nandito sa Samsung Galaxy S6, so may SIM card 1, may SIM card 2. Ayan, so palalapit ko para kita nyo. Ayan, so yan, may SIM 1 and SIM 2. So babalik ko na siya and I'm gonna turn on the Samsung Galaxy S6. Alright, so tour ko lang kayo sa Galaxy S6. Well, of course, we got the glass sa unahan. Sa side, just like the Galaxy Note 4, we have a metal side which is has a similar feel sa iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Although compared sa iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, flat na yung side niya, so mas madali siyang hawakan kumpara sa iPhone 6. Kasi sa iPhone 6, curvy din yung nandito, so medyo madulas siya pag hinahawakan ng ganito. So I really recommend if naka iPhone 6 kayo or iPhone 6 Plus, get a case dun sa iPhone nyo. Sa likod, this is the first time na magaganto si Samsung na merong glass sa likod. We got the stickers here. You can't remove the back, so non-removable yung battery, kaya nandito yung SIM card slot. We also got the 16 megapixel OIS camera in here, the flash, and of course the heart rate sensor. Meron tayong duos na logo dito sa likod yung paste sa unahan, kasi nga dual SIM yung Samsung Galaxy S6 natin. So here's yung logo, ito yung logo ng Smart. Ayan, so there's the logo of Smart kasi nga galing ito sa Smart. And meron tayong 5 megapixel camera by the way sa unahan. And ang isang pinakamalaking feature dito sa nagustuhan ko sa Galaxy S6 ay yung kanyang fingerprint sensor. Kasi dati sa Samsung Galaxy Note 4 and S5, you have to swipe your thumb or your index finger para ma-recognize yung fingerprint nyo. But dito sa Galaxy S6, just like the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, you have to tap it lang like this one. Yan, so you have to tap it just like that. And sobrang hangin wow, hindi na-expect na malakas yung hangin. So medyo mabilis yung kanyang pag-unlock dito sa iPhone sa Samsung Galaxy S6 compared sa iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus. Meron din tayo nung gumagalaw ng wallpaper, although mas magandang dating sa iPhone, pero it's very premium. I really like yung software, the hardware of the Galaxy S6. It's super fast, it's super smooth. Again, this one is super smooth. I've tried it. Yan, actually I got an Antutu score of 61,733. It can reach up to 65,000. It's depending sa Samsung Galaxy S6 nyo. Yan, so far napapansin naman sobrang bilis ng Galaxy S6. This is just one of the photos that I took during the Galaxy S6 launch sa Mega Mall. Ayan, so I'm gonna show you a photo na kung saan talaga ma-amaze kayo. So ito yung photo niya. So there's the photo that I've used that I've took pala using the Galaxy S6. Pero tingnan nyo, actually ito yung full photo. And then tingnan nyo to, kita nyo yung store sa taas, basang-basa yung pangalan ng store dun sa nandito. Ayun, actually yun. Then zoom in, then zoom in. There we go. Kitang-kita. Hindi kita basta-basta yan ng mga mata nyo pag nasa Mega Mall kayo nung tinake yung photo niya. And then look at that. Sobrang basa yung mga text na nandun sa stage ng Galaxy S6. So I'm really amazed with this one. Ang ganda ng performance, ang ganda ng software. Overall, I think this is a big comeback from Samsung after a big downfall ng Samsung Galaxy S5. And I'm really amazed with this one. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa ang Samsung na magawa ng mga gantong devices. Again, this one came from Smart at data plan 999, and it is locked kahit na dual SIM. Both SIM cards are locked sa Smart. So yeah, I guess that's it for the hands-on and unboxing na Samsung Galaxy S6. So if you want to know more about it, don't forget to check out my website at jamonline.ph. And if you like this video, of course, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo. So once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching the unboxing and hands-on of the Samsung Galaxy S6.